Hello everyone, welcome to my page. And as you know that there is the notification that the next PT examination of BPSC is scheduled on 25th of October. So seeing the approximate days of 60 days, I will suggest a strategy or a plan that you can follow in these upcoming days. There are two types of aspirants: those who have read something and who have covered a bit of their materials, and those who are very at initial stage. Let me cover those who are at initial stage and they want to prepare in these 60 days. And I will say it is possible to prepare and to give if you have uh, read the GS subjects beforehand. If you have little idea about these GS subjects a little bit, if you are into the preparation, then 60 days is also enough to cover the, especially the areas that you may not have covered, like current affairs and Bihar special, and that you can cover. So for those beginners who are trying to do in 60 days, make a routine of 6 weeks and divide the subjects. Start from the subjects which are much more scoring, like start with the science, the history, the Bihar special, and the current affairs. If you cover these four subjects, you will cover the majority of the percentage or the weightage of the paper. And secondly, whatever subjects that is left, that is the polity, economy, or geography, you can cover it at the second stage of the strategy of the whole this 60 days strategy that you are making. After you finish this hard subject and more weightage subjects and moving to the less weightage subject, then revise, and meanwhile daily solve 150 questions, because it will develop an acumen of solving the MCQs alongside, and it will give up you that confidence, and at the same time you will come across a set of questions that may help you in the examination day, right? And how you can handle current affairs in the last 60 days is: first, read the annual magazine. Now no need to go for monthly magazines or the newspapers, just know the headlines in the newspapers. And for that you can solve, you can see daily videos that many institute do post on these the daily GS current affairs. And secondly, you can read the annual the magazine. That is enough. Revise it. So, give a slot to these magazines. Give us hour or a 2 hour for daily, and you can cover these current affairs of last 1 year, and you can do it through the annual magazine. Okay. And if you want detail of what to read and how to read, I have also made another video, and you can follow that. But the overall strategy is to read the much more scoring and the higher percentage of the subjects like history, science, and Bihar special and current affairs, then moving to the subjects which have less weightage. Secondly, there are important themes and areas which BPSC usually asks. You have to figure out that, and for that BPSC prelims PYQ is very important. Solve that daily. Any magazine which have the composition of these PYQs along with the explanation might help you. Okay, so you can solve the BPSC PYQ with along with the explanation. Now moving ahead with those who have covered a little bit of their preparation, what I would suggest is, uh, the subjects which you have not touched yet, you can touch those subjects. Okay. And if it is a subject like history, biology, or a Bihar special, it is the time to read those subjects. You can also do that. You can divide your targets, weekly targets, or daily target is a bit difficult, but it is manageable. But weekly target, you can fix a larger goal and then you can do it. The overall idea is to organize your preparation. The overall idea is to organize your um, the whole these 60 days, so that organization brings you clarity, and clarity is power these days. Okay. And that's how those who are prepared then you can cover those subjects, and then you can move ahead with the subjects which needs policing. And then along with that, you can solve the daily sectional test and the full length test. Now is the time also to solve full length test. Okay. So that's all the overall strategy that I can suggest for these 60 days for the BPSC prelims. I hope it is helpful to you. Thank you, everybody.